Hi, I'm Trish from Healthy Body Massage of Orlando. You can visit our webpage at www.healthybody-massage.com. Today for Expert Village, I'm going to show you the upper body treatment for lymphatic drainage. As shown in an earlier segment, first you treat the trunk of the body. Then we're going to go to the arm. We'll start with the upper part of the arm first. We're going to do a down and upward movement, always moving the fluid towards the heart or the trunk of the body. You can do a sweeping motion like this. You need to repeat each segment 5 times on each part of the arm, outer, upper, and inner, moving the fluid towards the lymph nodes. Then you're going to go down to the lower part of the arm and repeat the same thing. Once you complete your treatment on the arm, you're going to want to reactivate the lymph nodes 2 times, 1, 2, and then go back over to the stomach and repeat this twice, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Have your client deep breathe. Press down, making sure you don't press hard if you feel the pulse, and release.